Vipi wadau, cheki, if you're looking for a good fridge, unatafuta fridge poa, iko 290 liters, 2 doors, ndio hii hapa hivi. We've reduced the price from 75,000 Kenya shillings, like you can see. From 75,000 tunakupatia yenyewe na 72,995 Kenya shillings, and I'm going to save 3,005 Kenya shillings. Unaona? Yes, it's a Roch, it's a no frost. Like you can see, it's a 2 door. Let me open for you inside so that you see what it looks like. Look at that. It looks like that. So you can come and get this one. It's a no frost, like I told you. Like you can see inside, it's a no frost. And then hapa chini ndio kuna freezer yake. Yeah, very unique. Yeah, so you can come and get this one right here at Patazone at a very pocket friendly price. That is 72,995 Kenya shillings. Karibuni sana, and thank you for shopping with us.